Red Hawk, your solution for remote monitoring and alarming at an extremely affordable price. As well as functioning like a standard alarm light, the Red Hawk in its simplest form is a wireless auto dialer. In the case of an alarm, notifications will be sent to the operator or any group of people they choose via the local cellular network. Notifications can be in the form of a phone call, a text message, or an email. Installation is a snap. Just remove your existing warning light, install the Red Hawk, and reattach the cables, and you're up and running after a short setup of your contact list. If you already have a warning light in place that you want to keep, that's no problem. Internally DIN rail mountable units are also available. Standard alarms include one alarm input, power loss, and communications fault. All the basic details you need to know about your system in a compact and affordable package. The Red Hawk also comes equipped with a relay driver that can be used to remotely activate or deactivate one device. You can now have peace of mind knowing that your system is being monitored 24/7 without breaking the bank. Call Hawk SCADA today at 1-877-700-HAWK for more details on the Red Hawk and all of our other SCADA products. Watch your system like a hawk.